this is an interesting option. Now, what we just showed you was an i5 upgraded to an i7. But many of our viewers don't want an i5 or an i7. URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. They want the i9-12900K 16-core 24-thread chip. Must cost $5,000.
They want an enthusiast build.
No, it doesn't. Take a look at this. This starts at $22.29. That is not much more than the build that we just put together. And this starts with an i9-12900K.
Ooh, look at that.
But wait, remember, use the code HOLIDAYS for 5% off all these prices.
Stack your deals.
5% of a $2,000 build is $100.
That's true. $100. Stack your deals.
And if you use the links, does this go without saying? All of the iBuyPower links in the video description below are affiliate links. We do earn a commission when you use them, no matter what you buy. So please use our links before you order something. It is greatly, greatly appreciated.
Yeah.
And it doesn't matter which link you use if you place an order during the same browser session after you click them. Even if you order something that there is not a link for, it all counts. Great way to support us at no extra cost to you. Right, honey? So, for $22.29, 16 cores, 24 threads, it's kind of under GPU'd for that CPU, but we'll get there. We'll go ahead and check the $5 box because we're going to take an extra mechanical RGB keyboard because we want a spare. And we'll scroll down to the cases. Now, by default, this comes in a Lian Cool 2 Mesh RGB case. I think I might leave it there. You can save a bit by going down to a lower end case, but I think you're going to want the mesh with an i9. Don't you think?
Yeah.
So we're going to leave the case, and we're going to scroll down to processor. Notice that it was $200 to upgrade the i7 to the i9, but you only get 167 credit to downgrade here. That's because they are giving you, because the system started with an i9, it's a cheaper upgrade cost because it's part of the package. It can be more expensive to upgrade the lower end machines than it is just to pick one that comes with the CPU you wanted to start with.
True.
So, and it's not even a $200 credit to go down to an i5. So you can downgrade it, but that would be dumb.
Downgrade it.
And if we scroll down, you will notice that it already comes with the 360mm liquid cooler, so you don't have to spend the money to upgrade it.
Cool.
Literally.
Okay.
Memory. 16 gigs of RAM and an i9.
Don't be a bloody idiot. Upgrade your RAM.
How about we come down here? How many dollars is it to upgrade to 32 gigs?
0.
How many dollars is it to get 32 gigs of the Delta RGB RAM?
0.
That didn't change the price at all.
No.
Video cards. Now here's where the video cards become interesting. The previous build had a 3070. This is a 3060 Ti, so there is a difference there. Notice the
3060 Ti?
This is 3060 Ti.
Oh dear.
Notice the 6700 XT is a $300 upgrade.
Yes.
That's kind of expensive.
Hey, finally $300.
Very funny. Notice that going to a 3070,
Less than $300.
these are 10% apart in performance.
Oh,
That is the dumbest
that is a lot of money.
money you will ever spend.
So what would you do?
If it weren't for the lead time, I'd take the 3080 for $700 more.
4 weeks?
Yeah, that's the problem.
I guess if you don't need it.
And of course, it warns you if you don't have enough power supply. We'll go change that in a minute. This is the problem, is the lead time. Or you could just say, screw it, and put a 3090 in there.
Just do that for the time being.
Now, I want to point something out to you. It comes with a 3060 Ti. What is the upgrade price to a 3090?
$1,859, which is less than $2,000.
So these right now are currently running about $2,700 on eBay. So they're giving you about an $800 credit for a 3060 Ti.
That's about what they're running. Oh no.
They are
a 30
LHR.
Oh, LHR.
$900, about $900 is about what a 3060 Ti. 3070 LHRs on eBay are running $1,000. About $900 for 3060 Ti's. About $2,700 for 3090s.
Right.
They're upgrading you to a 3090 for about their market price.
Okay.
It's a lot of money. But this will also print $8 a day.
The 3090. We'll put it back on the 3090.
Of course, we need a better power supply,
Oh,
but
yeah,
we'll get there. And no extra lead time. So we need a better motherboard than this. That Extreme is actually plenty. That Extreme has a really good power delivery system. I don't have a problem with that. It is what it is. The really high-end boards are expensive, and they're all DDR5, and they're not available, so it's irrelevant. So we've got to upgrade the power supply. $22 to go to an 800 watt, but in this case, don't stop there. $1,050.
Yeah.
So we're at $4,237. However, 5% off, which is over $200 discount.
True. And if you use your
And if you use your Crypto.com Visa card to get another 5% off, it's another $200 off.
yeah, so that brings it down to 38.
Primary storage is going to be the exact same damn problem.
Oof.
Do you see it's only 2,400 megabytes per second read, 1950 write?
Yeah.
That is a QLC DRAM-less piece of crap.
Don't do that.
So you come down here and you spend $71, super premium, if you're in this build. In fact, you could almost argue, do you notice that they will upgrade you to the 2 terabyte version for $224 more? That's kind of expensive. You can, but for 300 and change, you could just buy one of these and just drop it in the second M.2 slot. Is there anything else to add? No. So we're at about $4,300, or and actually, if you do have a Crypto.com Visa card, $3,880.
And then you're going to add tax.
Depends on what state you live in.
That's true.
They charge tax in some states and not in
And
others.
there you go. So
That's expensive. However,
it'll last a long time.
435 days at current mining rates to pay for itself completely.
Just over a year.
Or 242 days, which is 8 months to pay for 50% of it. 8 months turns that into a $2,000 machine. There's 8 months of mining left. Maybe.
That's not too bad. A 2,000 to whack half of the price off of it.
I wouldn't look at it as a profit-making enterprise, but if you spend $4,000 to buy that machine and you mine with it for the next 8 months, you'll pay for 50% of the machine.
You can get some food.
Okay. There's a super chat.
There is. Audio Slave, thanks for the support. We appreciate it. And James comes in. Dang, had to drop off at 40 minutes. Can't believe you're still on. Oh no, Rogue looks tired. It's dinner time. Yes, it is, James. You are
It's
correct.
past dinner time.
It
It's
is.
8:30. It is past Rogue's pumpkin time. Rogue right now would like to put her head on a pillow and go to sleep in the next 12 seconds.
I like that idea. I like that idea. So hopefully going through that configurator was helpful for you guys.
There are 5 different custom configurators that I linked down below. They all have their value for different configurations. There's even a Ryzen 5 one down there, and there's a Ryzen 9 one down there as well.
So,
And they each have their appeals.
so if you want AMD or Intel, have at it. And then you get to pick your parts.
Willie's comment, you get what you pay for. Top of the line ain't cheap. However, that $4,000 is a pretty nice machine that will last you for years and will be fully upgradable.
Yep.
Do you have anything else to add to all this fun?
Nope.
You hungry?
Yep.
Do you know what to do now?
Say goodbye. Goodbye.
You have to do the spiel.
I have to do the spiel.
It's a rule.
Are you ready?
Ducky said so.
Are you ready? Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Like this video if you like it. Share it with your friends if you love it. And remember to subscribe using the big red button.
That was easy.
Click the bell notification so that you're notified of when these deals come along. Comments, thoughts, feedback, suggestions in the comment section below. And we have got a whole bunch of stuff in the video description with promo codes that are not on the screen. So make sure you check the video description. Thank you for the support. And we'll see you. Are we seeing these lovely people Thursday?
Thursday. Thursday. Actually, it's supposed to be Monday for the WWE announcer.
Oh.
Instead of Monday Night Football, it'll be Thursday Night Football.
Thursday night PC deals.
Well, what you know what we need our viewers to do? We need them to tell us in the comments below, or preferably, because I might miss those, over on the Tech Deals Discord, what do they want us to see cover on Thursday?
You mean news?
News, topics, discussions.
That's why they come to us.
But
there's not much to talk about, so
that's why I'm asking for suggestions, because I can't think of anything to talk about. Because we kind of drive that into the ground at some point. That's why I'm asking them.
Well, I think going over the configurator is helpful because there's a lot of tricks in there that people probably didn't know. So
URCD Keys is the best source for genuine Windows 10 and Office Professional product keys that work the first time, every time. Get 20% off normal prices using our discount code BST for Byte Size Tech and the link in the video description below. $15 gets you a Windows 10 Professional OEM key that is a real product key, activates directly with Microsoft, use it forever as it links to your Microsoft account and it works through reinstalls. Get a full copy of Office 2019 Professional Plus for about $50 that redeems at setup.office.com using your Microsoft account. It also works forever through reinstalls. We have been using URCD keys for almost 3 years now and recommend you do so as well.